Let us solve one problem from JEST Physics 2023 paper. The problem states that a right-angled prism is placed in air. The refractive index of air is 1 and a light beam is incident perpendicular to the base of the prism as shown in the figure. In order to get the light beam totally reflected, the minimum value of the refractive index of the prism should be. So we need to find the refractive index of the prism, right? So we have a triangle ABC, right? So angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle A is 90 degree. The triangle is right angle, so the other two angles are 45 degree each, means angle B is 45 and angle C is 45. So the angle AC is 45. So the critical angle condition is to get the total internal reflection, to get total internal reflection angle theta. Angle theta is the incident angle of incidence should satisfy theta I greater than equal to theta C, where the critical angle is given by sin theta C equal to n of AR by n of prism. So it will be 1 by n, right? We want the total internal reflection to happen when the angle of incidence is 45 degrees. So theta C will be 45 degree. So sin theta C equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by n equal to 1 by root 2, or implies that n equal to root over 2. So the refractive index of the prism material will be root over 2. So among the options, that's D option is the correct one. So thank you.